today we're going to make your very own bird feeder. What you will need? You will need some cardboard tubes, some sticks, something to poke a hole with, some string, some lard. You want to heat it up for 30 seconds. Something to put the lard onto there, or you can just use your hands, and some bird food, and a hole puncher. You can choose one of these. We use the hole puncher. Okay, let's get started. So you want to get your cardboard tube, get some lard, get a bit of it, and just try and spread it on here. You could use your hands, but it's a messy option. Just spread it all around, and you want to do it to all of yours, so you will see you when you've done all of those. Okay, now we've covered them in some lard. It's best to have a nice thick layer, and then what you want to do is just roll it in your bird food, like that. Make sure you cover your bird feeder. And that's one done. Okay, we have now covered it in bird food. Now you want to get some string and then just tie it through the little holes. Okay, so we've just put some sticks through. You can also use kebab sticks or other things lying around your house that will work for the bird feeder. Now we just hang it outside now. We've got a bird feeder food. We're going to put them on, and we've got some birds singing a little song. Just hang them outside. And now we just wait for the birds to come. Bye! The robin is very interested of the bird feeder, and he's just poked it a little. Poking it. We also put lard because it's very good for the birds, and the seeds for a little yummy food. Also, the lard is for because birds need a lot of fat more than us humans do, because they're very active creatures. I hope you've enjoyed watching birds with us. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And I hope you had fun making these bird feeders. Bye!